Hello! If this is your first time stumbling across my little itty bitty channel, then hi, my name is Ty Brown. I like to film mostly fashion content with a little sprinkle of hair, health and beauty thrown in, and that goes the same for my Instagram, so come say hi on Instagram as well. It's simply the Fhab Life. Generally, I like to create fashion videos, a mixture of high street and luxury videos, because I feel that that is very representative of my personal style. Today I have got a Selfridges haul. As you can see from the title, I have got some things that I bought in store and then others that I purchased online. And without further ado, we're going to get started. First of all, I just want to take a minute to wax lyrical about how much I love Selfridges. I love the understated elegance of it. It's not too try hard, it's not too flashy, it's got great customer service. Essays there always seem a little friendlier, a little more normal, should I say, and not really as snooty, which I like because I do not like the shopping experience when you have essays or just general assistants that are maybe not as friendly. My mother has been going to Selfridges since before I was born, and while I was in her little belly, she always used to pop down to Selfridges, you know, for lunch in the food hall, and I think her favorite thing was like the salt beef. So I feel like Selfridges is literally in my blood. This video, by the way, is not sponsored by Selfridges. I absolutely wish it was sponsored by Selfridges. Yeah, let's just move on. As much as I love good packaging, like Net-a-Porter when you receive... Sorry guys, I did have to stop you there because my 3-year-old has barged in. Anyway, I was saying about the packaging. The one thing I do love generally on the online shopping experience is getting nice packaging, like Net-a-Porter. Selfridges maybe not so much. It comes in these unsightly boxes, and I have got a couple down there because I ordered these a couple of different times, so they didn't all come together. It's a brown box, doesn't seem very much, but when you open it up, you get that typical yellow lining, and of course you get the yellow and white paper.
Let's just go ahead and open that up, and
a Ted Baker dust bag.
okay, what's inside?
Oh, I'm going to show them what's inside. You can't have a look. And it is the most beautiful, elegant clutch. It's in that straw material, but it's got a nice black trim to it, so it's very elegant. I feel that this is... It's amazing. I feel like this is going to be great in the evenings. Quite a long chain. That would be great to wear crossbody, but to be honest, I think I'm probably going to wear it as a clutch each time. I do like the fact, and I always appreciate when these chain straps are removable, so this is totally removable. Yeah, so really pleased with this one. Like I said, you probably would have seen that already. If that video isn't out, actually, by the way, I will insert a clip of me styling it and wearing it. I think it was £80, and not long after it went on sale down to I think £39. So grab yourself a bargain while you still can. We have been saved. My husband's come back, so Annabelle's gone downstairs. So this is, I think I know which one this is, my first ever purchase from Victoria Beckham. And it is this absolutely beautiful knit, and I loved the way they styled this jumper on the Selfridges website. But there is something about the Victoria Beckham brand that is quite cool. I don't know if it's probably a little too cool for me, but you know, I'll make it work. I'll make it work. So this is it. This might be a little warm, especially on days like this. It is so warm today here in England. This would definitely be too warm, but I just thought it's nice to have something very classic. Yeah, it's really beautiful. I'm really pleased with this one. This was, I think I paid £136. It was originally £190 or maybe £200. I am wearing a lot of neutrals at the moment, so this is going to go really well with some of my beige trousers, beige shorts, black trousers. Okay, let's do one of these. So in here I have got a pair of Ray-Bans. I featured before my Chanel rose gold pilot sunglasses, which are really nice. That they do feel sometimes a little too girly and sometimes a little too extra, because you know they're rose gold and they're mirrored as well. So this I thought would be a just simpler alternative. Obviously it comes in the Ray-Ban box and then the Ray-Ban case. I cannot honestly remember what style these are. If I remember when I'm editing, note to self, I will put it on this screen. They are the green lens polarized with the gold trim. I just feel like generally aviator styles are very flattering on my face. I feel like they're very flattering for most people, I have to say. By the way, the only other thing that's in here is just a lens cleaner. So that was £9. And the Ray-Bans were £176, in case I didn't say that. I'm not sure I did say that. Okay, I have got another bag. I did recently do an unboxing of an Aspinall handbag. I'm pretty sure that will go out before this one, so I'll link that up in the iCards and down in the description box. And I did say that I had another handbag to unbox, which is not this one. It is another one. And I'm going to be doing a styling video for those two handbags. I might actually include this in that styling video where I show how I style 3 different handbags. It was going to be 2, but now it might be 3. So I'm sure you can see that says Coach. I'll choose my words carefully. At some point in the past, it was probably a little overexposed. But then, I know that Selena Gomez had a collaboration with them, I think it was last year. That's perhaps made it a little bit more youthful. Not that that's what you mean anyway, but yeah, I think it probably is having a little bit of a revival. Anyway, this is the bag. It didn't actually come in a dust bag. It looks lovely. Let's take all this packaging out. Gosh, it's a lot of packaging. Blimey. Aha. There's the dust bag. It is reasonably spacious for what is actually not a particularly big bag. It's certainly going to fit in all your daily essentials. I noticed also that the gold is more of a brushed gold, and then part of it has got a leather strap there, so that's going to be nice to sit comfortably on the shoulder. It's in a smooth leather, so I'm expecting to have to be a little careful with scratches and things like that, but it's got the beautiful top handle. Did I say the price? This was £350, so again, definitely more mid-range, maybe even on the slightly lower end of mid-range, but a great price for such a nice bag. This is the Parker top handle. My goodness, am I gonna have a good old tidy up later today? Am I done? No, I've got one more. Okay, last but definitely not least, I bit the bullet and I got a pair of Veja, and I wasn't sure which style to get. I knew I didn't want the really chunky one, so I didn't want the V10s or the V12s. I knew it was going to probably be the Esplas or the Campos. So what I did was I bought both. But in my mind, I kind of thought that I would try them out and then maybe send one back. So I got the Campos, which you're going to see now, and I also got the Esplas, but the Esplas I got from Harrods. And I am not happy because almost a week later I got an email from Harrods saying, sorry, I think we oversold, or you know, I can't remember what they said, something about, you know, when we get to the stockroom and we realized there's less than what people had bought, so they gave me a refund, which I wasn't happy about because they were a little bit reduced. I'm still in talks with them. Harrods, if you're watching this, I'm still waiting for my email back, and okay, oh, they look big. Well, I have got big feet anyway. I am a size 8. I'm a little bit surprised, but pleasantly surprised at the colour, but now it makes sense because when I bought it, I'm sure it said Nautico, but the picture looked really, really black. But actually this is blue. This is a very dark blue, not a black, which I like. Campos are also the ones that have the Veja written on the side there, as you can see, and I'll keep you guys posted with what happens in Harrods. But really, I like classic pieces like this and like the bag, because then they're going to go with a ton of things. Even what I'm wearing now, to be honest, this would be great with what I'm wearing. Ooh, now this is a whole look. This is a whole vibe. Look at that. So yeah, really pleased with all the pieces that I purchased. By the way, if you haven't seen my Aspinall of London unboxing, then I am going to put a picture here. Just click on this button. And if you haven't seen my 5 key designer pieces that I recommend for starting your own luxury collection, then I'm going to put that here. You just click on this button. And I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Bye bye.